Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS Multipoint door handles with 48mm PZ, 160mm screw centres. As you can see, the handle is boxed with all of the components inside individually bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit. In the box you will receive your handle set. And also an accessory kit. This contains 2 removable spring cassettes, 2 sets of fixings, 1 long and 1 short, plus your solid spindle. These handles are available in white, as you can see in the video, black, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. The polished brass, polished chrome and silver are all salt spray tested to 240 hours, and all of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So you've got your 48mm PZ, screw centres of 160mm, top fixing to the centre of the spindle hole is 58mm, base of the euro to the centre of the bottom fixing is 30mm, overall back plate length is 215mm with a width of 34mm. Thank you for watching.